12 mini tools that everyone should have. Interskol Oma-76 12. The Interskol Oma-76/12 is a true game changer in the world of handheld power tools. Imagine having a high-performance tool that combines the power of a full-sized machine in the palm of your hand. It's perfect for those small, detailed jobs that require precision and power, but without the bulk of larger models. This tool can handle everything from sanding to polishing, offering versatile capabilities for professionals and hobbyists alike. But let's be honest, it's not without its challenges. It's a high-powered tool, which means you've got to use it with care. Overuse can lead to strain, especially if you don't follow the right usage guidelines. Ingco Cutoff Tool. Next up is the Ingco Cutoff Tool, a must-have for anyone who needs to make clean cuts in metal, plastic, or even wood. This tool's compact design makes it easy to control, but don't let that fool you. It packs a punch. The blade spins at high speed, providing smooth, quick cuts, making it ideal for everything from automotive repairs to household fixes. Now, let's be real. Cutoff tools can be dangerous if you don't handle them properly, especially when dealing with tough materials. But don't worry, with its ergonomic design and safety features, the Ingco Cutoff Tool minimizes these risks. Labear Size Catcher. Now, this might sound like a tool you've never heard of before, but trust me, the Labear Size Catcher is one that should not be overlooked. If you've ever struggled with measuring and cutting fabric or materials to the perfect size, you know how frustrating it can be. This size catcher tool eliminates all that guesswork, giving you accurate measurements every single time. It works by adjusting to various widths, ensuring that your cuts are precise whether you're working on upholstery, crafting, or home improvement projects. Clixet. The Clixet is a simple yet incredibly effective tool, and it's exactly the kind of thing that makes you wonder, how did I live without this? It's a unique tool designed to help with the alignment and positioning of materials during assembly or installation, and honestly, it's a lifesaver. Have you ever tried assembling a piece of furniture only to realize the pieces don't line up properly? The Clixet solves this issue by allowing you to quickly and precisely align parts, giving you a much smoother experience with your projects. The tool's compact size and ease of use make it ideal for both amateurs and professionals. However, because it's so simple, many people overlook it. Knipex DPT 50. Let's talk about the Knipex DPT 50, a pliers wrench that's truly in a class of its own. This tool combines the precision of a wrench with the versatility of pliers, making it an invaluable addition to your tool set. Whether you're working on plumbing, electrical, or automotive tasks, the Knipex DPT 50 can handle just about anything you throw at it. It's not just about strength, though. It's the fact that it offers an incredibly tight grip, which means you'll be able to work on delicate or stubborn parts without damaging them. Some people might hesitate to invest in this tool because it's a bit of a splurge compared to regular pliers, but the ability to get a perfect grip and torque without slipping is worth every penny. Genmitsu Cubiko. The Genmitsu Cubiko is a mini CNC, computer numerical control machine that's a must-have for anyone serious about precision cutting and engraving. Whether you're into woodworking, crafting, or even jewelry making, this tool opens up a whole new world of possibilities. With its small size and ease of use, the Genmitsu Cubiko is perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of CNC machines without breaking the bank. But, as with any high-tech tool, there's a learning curve, and it might take a little practice to master the controls. Milwaukee Blidrc-0. Milwaukee has always been known for producing rugged, durable tools, and the Blidrc-0 is no exception. This is a compact, heavy-duty drill that packs a punch despite its size. It's designed to handle tough jobs in tight spaces, making it perfect for electricians, plumbers, or anyone who needs to drill in confined areas. However, like many powerful tools, it can get a bit hot after prolonged use, so it's important to monitor your work pace. Still, the Blidrc-0's long battery life, quick charging capabilities, and high torque make it one of the best in its class. If you need a tool that's built to last and gets the job done without compromise, the Milwaukee Blidrc-0 should definitely be on your radar. It's small, but it's fierce. Wagner Painteater. Ever tried painting something large or awkwardly shaped and struggled to get an even coat? Well, the Wagner Painteater is here to make sure you never deal with that headache again. This tool is perfect for tackling big projects like walls, fences, or furniture. Basically anything that requires a large surface area to be painted. What makes the Painteater stand out is its ability to deliver an incredibly smooth and even coat with minimal effort. Sure, some people may shy away from using paint sprayers because they think it's messy, but with the Wagner Painteater, you can be sure the spray is controlled and consistent. E-Assist Screwdriver. The E-Assist Screwdriver is the kind of tool that makes you think, why didn't I have this years ago? With an electric motor that helps you screw with minimal effort, it's the perfect solution for anyone who's ever struggled with hand fatigue or tight spaces. This tool is lightweight, easy to control, and it makes driving screws so much faster and easier. Of course, there are always concerns about power tools malfunctioning or running out of battery too soon. But with the E-Assist Screwdriver's long-lasting charge and sturdy build, you won't have to worry. Dewalt DCE 710. When it comes to cordless tools, Dewalt has earned a reputation for creating reliable, high-performance machines, and the Dewalt DCE 710 is no different. This compact, heavy-duty tool is a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. It's designed specifically for drywall applications, making tasks like cutting and shaping drywall a breeze. The DCE 710 features an adjustable speed trigger, so you can control the power and precision for different materials. One thing to note is that it's not meant for heavy-duty industrial use, but for the everyday handyman or contractor, it's a tool that will save you tons of time and effort. Trunking shears. If you've ever had to cut cables or wire insulation and struggled to make a clean, precise cut, then trunking shears are the tool you didn't know you needed. These heavy-duty shears are designed specifically for cutting through tough materials like electrical cables, PVC trunking, and even flexible conduits. The blade is sharp and durable, making it easy to get clean cuts without damaging the wire or insulation underneath. It's perfect for anyone who works with electrical setups, home renovations, or even simple cable management. Anglepro. The Anglepro is a compact angle measuring tool that could become your best friend on projects that require exact angles, whether you're working with wood, metal, or even tiling. With the ability to measure angles from 0 to 360 degrees, the Anglepro makes sure you never miscalculate again. If you've ever tried to cut a piece of wood at an angle and ended up with a jagged edge or uneven cut, you know how frustrating it can be. But the Anglepro eliminates all the guesswork, ensuring every cut is sharp, precise, and perfectly aligned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome tool tips and tricks. Got any tools you swear by? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear about them. Stay sharp, stay safe, and let your tools work for you.